rough there towards the end where Rust Bucket keyed up. All right, 393, I'm back 10-7. Kind of see where this DX gonna go. Them guys over there, I hear them guys down there. I hear Bulldozer and, well, actually, that's the only one I hear over there. But anyways, it's getting noisy over here. I'll get back with you.
Take care, man. You have a good night. Hey, number 6. Hey, before we 10-7, tell 390, we just put the 5 in the sky. He gone. 10-7, not coming back. Hello,
all right, Russ Bucket, I let him know. He said to tell 393 he's going to wave him the 5 up that way. Because I know you can't hear. As noisy it is out there right now, I know you guys can't do no inter-island talking, so. But I'll get the 5 to him. Hey, Russ Bucket, I'll get back with you.
Hey, you can hear him. You hear Mod Squad? Yeah, Mod Squad, Mobile gone. Aloha. I saw you, number 6, 393. Okay, man, I'll just check it.
All right, 393. I'll get with you. It's kind of rough out there, man. But I'll get back with you while you said you're going back home. I'm back 10-7.
10 629. Hey, number 6, take care. Have a good night. Good talking to you. Number 6, the James Boys, 393. Honolulu gone.
Click, click, click.
Very quick, click. All right. You just made my smile, man. You take your 629. Talk to the B. Take care, 629. Hey, minute, guys. Honolulu gone.
And you know what's going on Labor Day weekend. I'll get with you.
410, number 6, James Boys, 393, Honolulu gone. Right back, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Mod Squad, Honolulu said your turn, aloha. Alright, A17, 442 waving, 442 gone. Squad gone. Sprinkler system pointed down this way too or something. So yeah, no doubt about it. We stuck the wrong. He got that yeah, check right out there. Hey, water boy, something good. 17 got the malls out, but I heard you out there, water boy. Hey, 17, water boy, 442. I'm waving. I'm gone on the side. Aloha. Honolulu, 82 in Honolulu. 17 hit man. 17 hit man. 82 in Honolulu, right back. Aloha. 517. 50 something radio. I heard a bit of that, and then I got a hitman or something out there too. Which doctor? Hello, hitman. Water boy. Honolulu, 82 in Honolulu, man. Gas gone. Bye.
I still hear you in there, Bulldozer. In between all them keys, man, it's noisy on my radio. But hey, Bulldozer, I still got you in my radio. I'll get with you.
Ducking your head. I heard 17 out. 269, which doctor? 82 in Honolulu. Hello, which doctor? 82 in Honolulu. So what do you mean? Hello, which doctor? 82 in Minnetonka. Hello. Your Bulldozer, antique cover 139 right there. Let's go. Appreciate it, Rich Doctor, no doubt about it. Rich Doctor, 82 in Honolulu. Hello, good time once again, my friend, Mr. Rich Doctor, in 82. The grass is gone. Aloha. Pull. I'm gone too, Rich Doctor. Hello, which doctor? Honolulu saying aloha to you. Have a good day. check, water bite. 206, 82 in the middle gas. 206, 82, put the 8 on the middle gas. 206,
808 Hawaiian Islands, back out.
Bye, water boy, aloha. Bye, water boy, 83 in Honolulu. Which doctor, 8306.
Happy Veterans Day, 808 Hawaiian Islands.
165, leave the alligator alone. I'll see you 28 with the wave.
By 306, I'm 106.
306, 28 in the right, and 83 on aloha with the wave.
Now get back to Roger around the USA. Looks like my working his antique. Antique, that is.
410, 306, Montana, good copy. 28 with a wave on back down aloha.
Hey, Bulldozer, I still got you in my radio. I just got a whole lot of mini grass in there, too. That's the only problem. But you talking, Bulldozer. Hey, Bulldozer, I still hear that old antique Cobra up in my number 6 is Yesu, man. So all you got to do is wait. Hey, Bulldozer, just wait on conditions to break.
Hey, you got a mini grass, got conditions right now.
Yeah, what are they calling 28?
Antique Mall, 15-year-old.
28 with a wave. I'll see you.
Number 6, your radio check down.
Right back, Bulldozer. It's rough, man. See, it's the way this is right now, it sounds like Dick's gonna be in there all night. But yeah, you're right. My conditions are up in the Y, so that's where they at right now. But anyways, Bulldozer, I just heard you in there, man. I want to let you know your radio is talking, so don't give up yet. It's just conditions. That's all that's going on. I'll get back with you.
5, 6, 28 with a wave. 6, get out of my radio.
I'll wave the 4 and 1. 808 Hawaiian Islands, back out.
Hey, down number?
Cruising his antique Cobra, 139, your Bulldozer, 6. Have a good day.
All right, Bulldozer. I was just slow keying. Hey, 808 and keyed up and 28 keyed up too. So I was just slow keying, waiting on Bulldozer. But hey, 808, I got you up here too, and 28 Mobile. That's some. Like I said, it's real noisy up in this thing. I'll get back with you. I'm gonna read me some mail. I'm back 10-7.
I heard 1233 in Los Angeles as well there. 1233, 808 Hawaiian Islands, aloha. That's for sure, mate. 17 hit.
I can probably hear them up here too. I hear LA almost as loud as I hear you guys. I'll get back with you.
17 hit, man.
Just trying to do some long distance neighbor talking. I'm back out.
Alright, there's 17. I'll be on my lunch break right about now. It'll be about, I can't even say o'clock around here, but it's lunchtime at around 10:20. Who's listening there, 17? 17, your Bulldozer. Good day, mate, wave.
I heard you 1233. I heard the breaker before you too there. 1233. Please, 808. Working my Mobile. I'm back out.
Be 121 on a Friday afternoon, right here, right now. 17, that's the time difference.
Yeah, 6, can you hear my driver in Hawaii out there? Hey, 6, I just on my driver.
What's your boy?
Oh. Uh-huh. It sounds good too. You change radios? Everybody's radio sounds different. I don't know if it's conditions or what, but yeah, I hear you, driver.
Oh, okay, Stanford. I was kind of worried out there. Yeah, we just shut everything down and just got a little 2PO going out there. Hey, thank you for the comeback, 6. Good evening. Out there. I saw ya.
I still shoot 20 over. Off in the blue still. So, hey, that little driver's working. It's still up in the blue, they're breaking.
Okay, now, right here, right now. Hello.